Hey everyone, this is Kelly and today I have new journals that I want to share with you. This is a new batch that is going on my Etsy store, and let's go through them. But first I want to show you little kits that they come with, because those are what I like to call naked journal. Like, they're not as decorated as the ones you're used to seeing from my shop. So I wanted to share with you. So the big ones will come with these. These are the type of kits that they will come with. So I'll quickly share with you what they contain. So basically here, as you can see, it's like a soft envelope. There's a pocket at the outside. It's decorated. It's got the Hope title, and then there's a little doll that has been die cut and that you can place somewhere, anywhere you want, actually, in your journal. Then at the back you have this envelope that was cut from a book page. This one is in Dutch from Netherlands. Then inside you have a little gathering of stuff. So here you have the small items. So you have some little tickets, you have some butterflies, some flowers, and you also have these tabs that will allow you to divide your journal, basically. So you have 4 of them that will allow you to divide your journals into a section if you wish to. And yes, then you have some napkins. Then obviously you would have some tags. Some of them are stamped and coffee dyed, and then they have the whole, see here, that's a Rolodex die, and then it has been stamped at the back. So then you have more tags that are more classic, which have been layered as well. And then you have the large one. Where's the large one for this one? Oh, it was that one. Yeah, that one. Yeah. So basically that's what the little kit contains. Obviously, because they are naked journals, they'll be a little less expensive than the decorated one. And also, just to mention, for those ones, there is free shipping for a certain period of time. This one here is the small, goes with the small one, so that's the one. It goes with the 6x4 journal, and it pretty much has the same as the big ones, but a little less because it's less bulky. So let's begin with this one here. I'll share it with you quickly. So basically this one is 6x9, and 3 of them are 6x9s, and the last one is 6x4, as I said. They are heavyweight chipboard. They have 2 signatures with enough space to grow. That's one thing that I had noticed that my journals didn't consider enough. So here, these ones have enough space to grow. There's this decoration on the spine, and then at the back you have a little bottle of perfume for this one. So it has been painted with chalk paint and then distressed with some antiquing medium. So here, when you open this one, that's what you have in the first page. You have a little coin envelope that has been stamped and that is empty for you to fill up, and then you have some sweet ladies printed directly on the journal. So these journals are naked. They are for you to fill out, and yeah, as you can see, different papers, coffee dyed ones, doilies, little file folder dies here, which have been coffee dyed as well. Yeah, various type of papers. Here in the middle of each signature you have a large envelope where you can store your pictures or your memories before you glue them to the book. You will find that you can see some glitter on some pages, because I had added some glitter to my coffee before I coffee dyed the papers. Yes, I did. And you get several of those pages, which are parchment paper stitched to some design paper. Very, very simple. Yes, that's a bit of between both signatures, and then more of those beautiful vintage ladies. Some designer paper as well that I have added. And plenty of beautiful designs, and this is another piece of parchment paper. A little doggy, loved it. And here. And there you go, that's it. At the back you have an empty pocket as well. So basically this one will come with this kit here that I will put inside the book like so. So first one. The second one is this one here, as you can see. So here a few tags in the front. It's more on the nature theme, that one, and it's got black ladies. 5 folder, different pages. So I'll go through it faster as well. But you have beautiful lady images, the same type of pockets, but on the nature theme. Here, different type of papers. Coffee dyed and envelope page where you can tuck things. Very nice journal, again plenty of space. This is a Edith Holden page that I have added. Plenty of space to journal, to make it your own. I didn't want to fill it up. Those are naked journals just for you to add things to. Look at that beautiful stamp that I added here. And yeah, just so you have a good time and enjoy journaling about your own life and your own stuff. So that's the last page here. And this one will come with this kit here, this vintage lady, the pink one here, same concept. The back has got a butterfly in the front as well. So when you open it, you have a few tags here as well, and then the pages are the same. I've added a few tags in this one. They're naked, but I've added a few things here, different things here and there. I'm totally incapable of doing twice the same. Only this is a, I think it was a clarinet book, playing Mozart. And yeah, I was saying I'm totally incapable of doing twice the same book. So basically they look alike, but they're not the same. Like you'll always find different things here and there. I can't bulk make them. And here's a little pocket, empty, plenty of space. All the papers are coffee dyed. Another envelope, and yeah, so that's the end of this one. And this one will come with this kit here. So that's that. And then the last small one that I want to share with you is a 6x4, and it's also black ladies and flowers, and it's not nature themed, but it's pretty relaxed, as I like. And it's a smaller one with enough space for expansion as well. And it has the same type of pockets here and there to keep your stuff until you use them. The ladies are a little different. There we go. An envelope at the middle of the signature as well. And it goes on. On this one I have also stitched some doilies, but not many, I think twice in the book. It remains pretty bare. Love this beautiful lady. So plenty of space for you to add your own memories and glue things around and just enjoy basically these naked journals. I didn't want to leave them completely bare, but I didn't want to fill them up instead of you. So basically those are real journaling journals that you can use and that you can put your art in and your memories and whatever you decide to do with them. It will accommodate. And that's it. And the back has got this little tag. My nails are hard too. And I love this tag. Those are the ones that come off. But I don't want to struggle with putting it back. So that's it. And this is the little kit for that one. So basically that's it for my latest journal. I hope you will like them and that you'll go have a look at them. If you have any question, of course, you're welcome to ask them in the comment section below. And well, I'll see you around soon. Happy crafting. Bye.